Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy gems on Brawl Stars. So let's get into the video. So open up Brawl Stars, and then once you have opened up Brawl Stars, so what you're going to do, you're going to go, let me open up Brawl Stars. So buying gems is pretty similar to how you normally buy other stuffs or purchases on Brawl Stars, like similar to other skins. So go to this shop option here, and then select the gems that you want to buy. So for example, here I want to buy this, so select the gems. Once you get to the shop, so this one will take you to your Google Play where you're going to do the payment. So you can either select your default payment, or else you can click on this arrow and then select how do you want to pay. So you can choose any of these payment methods or whatever that suits you. So just select that. Once you have select that, and then all you have to do is hit on this buy option, and that will take you to the payment process where you can complete the payment. So all you have to do is just simply select the payment method and hit on the buy option, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.